my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I have another fall video packed with a ton of fun things. We're going to be doing a decorate with me here in our kitchen. I'm also going to be making some of the viral fall cookies that I've been seeing going around on Instagram. And I also am going through all of my fall bins, which will be at the end of the video. A lot of you requested to see that, but I know not everyone wants to see it. So that's why I'm going to include it, but at the end of the video. So make sure to stay tuned if you do want to see that. It is now September, so happy Burr months to you guys. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below what the weather is like where you live. Here in Colorado, it is still super hot. It's 90 degrees outside, which is why I'm in a tank top and shorts in pretty much every single one of my fall decorate with me's. So hopefully within the next few weeks, the weather will get on board with the fall vibes. I wanna thank you guys so much for being here as always for today's video. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe. Follow me over on Instagram. The link is always in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So starting out for this first area in our kitchen, I'm going to take two of my cutting boards that I got from Target, and I'm going to be layering them one in front of the other. Next, I'm taking my Magnolia crock, and I'm going to be putting some of my wooden utensils in there. And then I actually just got a new oil and vinegar bottle set. I learned from one of you guys that it's not good to have your oil in a clear bottle sitting in the sun. It can make the oil go bad. So I decided to switch over to these from Hearth & Hand at Target. Everything that I can will be linked in the description box down below for you. This is not the balsamic that we put into the vinegar bottle, but I wanted to show it to you because it's so good. We got this at a art fair up in the mountains a couple weeks ago, and it is our favorite thing to cook chicken with. I'm just putting normal balsamic vinegar into the bottle. Another great recipe to try if you do like making chicken is mixing some balsamic, Italian dressing, and red pepper flakes. It's just those three ingredients. Once you have the chicken cooked, if you mix that in, it is so delicious. You'll have to let me know if you try it or if you have tried it in the comments below. I kept this area simple and I really love the way that it turned out. My style is definitely going more towards a modern minimal look, so I wanted to just keep it simple, and as the fall progresses, I will add more pumpkins. Moving over to our corner in the kitchen, I took away our lamp that we have had here for the past 2 years. I'm taking this cutting board that my husband made for me and our new lamp from Hearth & Hand. This is from their new fall collection. And I'm taking this really pretty printed framed art that I shared in a previous haul with you. A lot of this stuff is from Target that I will be decorating with today. This vase and these stems are from Hobby Lobby. I did also share these in a previous video. I will try to link the stems. I know for a fact I can link the vase, but it was hard for me to find these exact stems. These are a must-have from Hobby Lobby. I believe they're $4.99, 40% off of that, so really affordable. I've wanted to go back and get some more because I think one more stem would make this vase look a little bit better. Again, I like that this corner doesn't feel as crowded. I think the old lamp just took up a little too much space. I love how moody this area looks as well with the new fall stems, and I love having a cutting board on the bottom to kind of ground this space. To the right of our stove and oven, I'm going to refresh this space a little bit with putting my 3 cookbooks And then I'm putting this find from the vintage market that I shared with you in the previous video. It was a part of the spring collection, and I believe it was 90% off. It was very, very affordable. I think $1, if that. It might have just been a few cents. And then I'm stacking my salt and pepper mills that I got from Etsy, which will also be linked down below. I love this simple vignette on our kitchen. It definitely makes me very happy looking at it, especially when I cook. Switching out our wreaths on our pantry doors. This is your reminder that you do not have to get new decor every single year for the different seasons. I have had these wreaths for 2 years now, and I have not gotten new ones. I switch them out for every season. I have some for the Christmas season, fall season, and every day. I did also switch out these wreaths on the top of our microwave. These are from Hobby Lobby, and I got them last year. These were maybe 50 cents. They were on major sale, 90% off, and I picked them up last year knowing that I would use them this year. So that's another one of my tips. If you are wondering how I put these wreaths on our cabinet doors or on our pantry doors, I simply just use the command hooks, and I just make sure that they're even and then hang them right on there. So this is how our kitchen is looking right now. It's a little sneak peek of our new item that we have in our kitchen. You'll have to let me know if you caught it below. But now we are going to move on to cooking some of the viral cookies. So we're taking these pumpkin cookies from Pillsbury and their cookie dough, the chocolate chip kind. We are first going to lay down the chocolate chip cookie dough. I put them in the oven at 350 for about 5 minutes. Once those come out after 5 minutes is when we are going to put the pumpkin cookies on top, which you will see here shortly. Once we take those out, we are just going to push the pumpkin sugar cookies on top of those. You want to make sure to put the chocolate chip cookies into the oven for the 5 minutes, because if not, they will not turn out as well. We try to do the second ones a little different, where we just put them directly on top of each other straight out of the fridge, and they were a little wonky. So if you want them to look cute, definitely do it this way. Once we have all of these sugar cookies on top, I'm going to put those back into the oven for 10 minutes. Once they've cooked for 10 minutes, we're taking them out, letting them cool for about 10 or 15, and these were so yummy, you guys. Me and my husband are trying to eat healthier, so we didn't have too many. We actually sent my niece and nephew home with them, but you'll have to let me know if you've tried them in the comments below. Now to start going through my fall bins. Now you'll see some of the things that we decorated with today, including those wreaths that I got for a steal at Hobby Lobby. These pumpkins are from Target. You'll see a similar one coming soon. I got those, I want to say, 1 or 2 years ago. These leather pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby last year. I got them for like $1. Could not pass up on them. You will see a theme here that I have way too many stems. You'll see how much I got rid of at the end, and I'm actually going to be getting rid of more than what I share with you in this video. I'm going to decorate our house fully and then figure out what I used and didn't use. I highly recommend doing this, especially if you are going to get new decor. I have collected so many of these little pumpkins, so I'm going to get rid of some of those for sure. These 2 items I'm also getting rid of. I haven't used them in the last year, so it was time to put them in the giveaway or sell pile. I also kind of cleaned out the bottom of these bins because they were definitely a little bit dirty from a lot of the stems falling off. I got rid of this dough bowl as well because I don't really style with them anymore. Now these stems are some of my favorites from Target. As you can see, I'm very bad about taking the tags off of things. A lot of you have commented that in a few of my previous videos. These stems and the previous ones are some of my favorite finds from Target. They are a year or two old and I style with them every single year. So a lot of you guys ask me questions on this arrangement because it is unusual. All you do is simply set it on top of a vase or a pot and that is it. They aren't actual stems. I got it from the vintage market when it came to my city. It was just here and they had them again. So again, I have no idea what to call them. I've tried to find them on Amazon and I haven't really had much luck, but I will keep trying, and if I do find one similar, I will have it linked below. This little arrangement has been my favorite from Target. I got this a couple years ago. It's actually over in our primary bedroom. That will be coming in an upcoming Decorate With Me here soon on my channel. I am slowly but surely scattering some pumpkins around our home. This garland is another great find for the fall. I believe I got this from Hearth and Hand at Target last year. These baby breath from Hobby Lobby are a must-have for year-round, honestly. I got rid of all of those stems because I never use them anymore. I might sell that as well because I haven't used that in the past couple years. I love these little arrangements from Target. They come out with different ones every single year, and I like to put them in some bathroom areas where you don't have a ton of room. I also got rid of this sunflower arrangement. I held on to it because I thought I was going to use it and I never did. So now that we have gone through my bins, I'm going to quickly share with you the things that I got rid of. I actually already got rid of everything. It went to my next door neighbor, which was really great. I didn't have to even try to sell it. So everything on the left side is what I got rid of. I'm just going to be putting everything back into the bins because I did bring this upstairs to start decorating. But as I said, I will definitely be getting rid of some more once I figure out what I used and didn't use. That is going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for being here. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe. Follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.